I'm out camping again, finally, and I'm at Rock Springs. I can't remember. Just got here a little late. Check out the spot. Fire ring, picnic table. Got a new setup for the truck. I have a inflatable mattress now where I don't have to sleep on that very uncomfortable back seat anymore. So I'll get that set up, show it to you. Check out that hot pink sunset. It is quite hot for early January. Looks comfortable. I mean, I do have kind of a bad back, so, but it's got to be better than sleeping on a regular seat. Does that not look just so cozy? It's only about 6:20 p.m. Yeah, there's probably going to be some stragglers come in here. I noticed a lot of the sites were reserved, but nobody was in them. All right, I'm going to get the stove out and cook me up a fried bologna and egg sandwich. Unfortunately, that is not a non-stick pan. Oh, shit. All right, well, it's supposed to come a major thunderstorm tonight. Actually, heavy rain. The major thunderstorm's not going to hit till tomorrow night. But hey, we'll get out and do some things in the rain. And I'm going to go back to a spot tomorrow that I actually made a video about it before, and the video's not that great because it was when I first started making videos. But do a redo of that place. Hopefully we'll be able to see a little bit. It's probably going to be rainy and foggy, so we'll just have to play it by ear, try to get a video out of it. I'll see you guys in the morning. The bed slept okay. Could have been much better, but if you're sleeping in the back of the truck, it ain't that bad. So I'm glad I set this little canopy up, or this could have been a miserable trip. Because now I got to tear all this stuff down, repack the truck in the rain, and I have to do this last. I have a lot of respect for people who live in their cars in the back seat of their vehicles. I don't think I could do it. I don't think I could do it very long. Just grateful to have a place to go. One last look at it before we head over to the Virgin Falls area. Dry the camera off here. The awesomeness that is Rock Island. We've got about an hour drive, so I'll see you there. All right, we're headed to Welch's Point Lookout first. And you have seen this in another video. Actually, I think I had this same hoodie on. It'll be a little different, and it wasn't raining that day. And what would be the point of even making a video if you're not going to blast through some mud holes in slow motion? Last time I did this video, and I was here, really screwed it up. I had some accidental in editing. I had some extreme close-ups that we didn't want there. Anyway, it didn't make for a good video, and I've been wanting to come back and do this place again. And I don't know how much we're going to see with all this fog. The fog going into the abyss. Wow, it's still a beautiful view even on a rainy day. I gotta be careful because my Garmin is dead. I probably shouldn't even be trying to do this right now. Just end up down in that chute and be screwed. These rocks could potentially be slick. Luckily I have nice grippy shoes on. Whew. All right, I'm out of shape. I'm gonna have to do more hiking. Coming soon, I promise. Well, I have never been to Fall Creek Falls, so that's where we're headed now. And it'll take about an hour and 10 minutes to get there. And I'll see you there. A little quick stop here at Pilot Falls. Remember the last time I did this video, there was a burnout car here. If you hadn't have seen that video. that'd be fun if you were an experienced kayaker. I'd love a lot of kayak down that. It just, I'm not real confident in my kayaking skills. Thing's pretty wobbly. It's like walking on a boat. Well, the falls were cool, and now we're going to go up this little, we'll go up to the fire tower. Hopefully it's not too rough, or too narrow, or, or anything else since I drove the school bus this week. Well, it looks like the fire tower part of this adventure is over. So now I gotta back a pretty good ways to a turnaround spot. Well, the fire tower was a bust. I hope they clear that tree sometime soon. Now, let's go check out the campgrounds and see what they're like. It's a pretty big state park. They got really nice campgrounds here. And y'all know that I like to stay in these established campgrounds. I'm not real big on dispersed camping yet. Not really by myself. It's just not my thing right now. Maybe later. Maybe one day. Well, my overall impression of this place is that a lot of people come here on pretty days, and even on bad days. There's quite a few people here. It looks like some kind of old, maybe a meal of some sort. I'm just kind of hanging out under this bridge, and so I appreciate you watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and go check out my store. Look, I got new hats on there. Got the hoodie that I had on earlier. Got new hoodies up. Got some cool things, and all that supports the channel. And somebody from France bought something from the store, which is kind of cool. So I guess somebody from France maybe watches the YouTube, or maybe they just found it on Google. Who knows? That supports the channel, buys a little gas, you know, a little bit of food. These camping trips they can get a little pricey sometimes. All right, guys, y'all have a good one.
I was tempted